Canada Emergency, what are you reporting?
Yeah. Hey, you need to send emergency services out here. Police, Quimby, Arco and Quimby. There's an idiot standing over here with a gas pump handle in his hand and a lighter. A cigarette lighter is lit. He's an idiot. You need to get a cop out here. Can you do that?
Hey, what's bothering you so much you're willing to do something like this? Come on, man, talk to me. Come on, man. Talk to me. What's going on? Still just standing there with the lit lighter and the gas pump in his hand with a piece of paper and the tip of the gas pump. What's going on, dude? Tell me what's going on. This way I can help you. Anything particular bothering you? Come on, man. Give me something to work with, man. What's going on? Come on, man. Talk to me. What's your name, at least? I believe there's a shutoff valve right next to the cashier's window. It looks like it's next to that van. Next to the van. I got him. Hey, man, what's your name? Oh, it does look like the pump is live. Okay. It's off. You're good. All right, man. Talk to me. Hey, put down the lighter. He's lighting it. Hey, stop it right now or you're going to get stun-bagged. Hey, stop right now or you're going to get stun-bagged. Hey! Stun-bagged! Stand back! You're gonna get shot! Shots fired!
Hey boss, what's your name? What are you doing? What's your plan? Where's the shut-off valve? It's where? Fuck it. Watch him. it's off or not? It's not doing any noise.
Hey, put down the lighter.
Bag him. He's lighting it, bro.
Hey, stop it right now or you're going to get stung back. Hey, stop right now or you're going to get stung back. Hey!
You're gonna get shot! You're gonna get shot!